Say hey, guys.
Hey.
Say it's
Guys.
Brett.
It's me, Brett.
Say what you're gonna do today.
We're playing trucks.
Yep, he's playing monster trucks. Now get started with the race. Who's racing?
Patriot and Taz.
Okay. Ready, set, go. You can move those.
So much stuff in the way.
Got it? And move this. This is the finish line. No, this is the finish line. So they have to come back. Okay.
Say, and Taz is turning.
And Taz is turning.
So the Patriots still
And
ahead.
Patriots still ahead. Oh! Taz wins. Ding, 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 ding.
Who won?
And the winner is Taz. Now go get the ones that you're using. Put these back. I'll follow him for you guys. You guys can see. Which ones are you using?
How about on the floor?
No, we can't do it on the floor.
How about in the shade?
No, we can't do it in the shade because they won't be able to see it. Come on, pick some.
Yeah, I will.
No? See, look. They can't see over there. Pick one more. Which ones are you using, those? Okay.
And Gravedigger the Legend.
Don't start yet. Who's going?
Gravedigger the Legend and Taz.
Show them
Jurassic
Gravedigger the
Attack.
Legend.
This is Gravedigger the Legend.
Let me see. Gravedigger the Legend. Gravedigger the Legend. Okay,
But
show.
with no tires.
But with no tires. Who's
With
this?
no back tires.
Who's
Jurassic
this?
Attack.
Jurassic Attack. It's a dino.
As a
Okay,
Triceratops.
you can start. Ready, set, go.
So Gravedigger the Legend having a little bit of
Gravedigger the Legend's having a little bit of problem.
Gravedigger the Legend on 2 wheels.
Come on, over here. This is the finish line. Gravedigger the Legend on 2 wheels.
So Andy's tipped over.
And he's tipped over.
So Jurassic Attack wins.
Jurassic Attack wins. Go pick your other two. Go put those back and pick your other two. We're doing a video of monster trucks.
Okay.
Guys, he's autistic, by the way, so don't make fun. Who are those two?
Bad Habit, Monster Truck, Rottweiler.
Okay. Let me sit down and you can show them. Okay. Who?
Monster Truck, Rottweiler.
Who's
and
this?
Bad Habit.
Hey, Sean.
And tell
Okay.
them we're doing freestyle
Who's this?
tomorrow. Monster Truck, Rottweiler.
We're doing freestyle tomorrow. Ready, set, go. This is the finish line. What was that, Brett?
You ready?
Okay, go.
Come on, come on. Say Monster Truck. Say Bad Habits ahead of them.
Back. Oops, hang on. Drop the finish
Say
line.
Bad Habits ahead.
Bad habits ahead.
Say and it's a tie.
And it's a
Say
tie.
I don't know who won.
I don't know who won. Okay, let's have a rematch.
Let's take a look at the photo finish.
Rematch.
Photo finish.
Rematch.
Photo finish.
Rematch.
Say let's take a look at the photo.
Let's take a look at the photo finish, guys.
Say and your winner.
And your winner is Rottweiler.
He won.
Yep. And show them the winner.
Monster Truck, Rottweiler won.
Okay, go pick your two and come up here and show them. This video is probably going to be really long. Sorry, that's my new binder.
Taz versus Spider-Man.
Okay, who?
Taz.
Okay, here's Taz. He just did a race. And Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Okay. Ready? Wait. Oh, right here. Right here. Put him right here. They aren't starting yet. This is how he goes.
Yeah, I don't do
Put
that.
them right here.
How about Taz?
Ready, set, go.
So Taz Taz is on the outside.
Taz is on the outside.
It looks like Spider-Man's catching up.
Looks like Spider-Man's catching up. Oh, and Taz wins.
So let's take a look at that one more time.
Let's take a look at that one
Say
more time.
replay.
Wait, hang on. Okay, replay.
Haley, tell my name. Say, tell the fans. Say, as you see Spider-Man on the outside.
I just see Spider-Man on the outside.
Say the Taz just make a huge
But
turn
Taz
in
just
the corner.
made a huge turn in the corner and came to the
But
outside.
Spider-Man's on 2 wheels.
But Spider-Man's on
So
2
he's-
wheels.
He's almost out of the corner.
He's almost out of the corner.
So Taz came a little bit.
And
close
Taz
to the
came a little
outside
bit closer to the outside and
and
stole the win
44 miles an hour.
at 44 miles per hour and stole the win.
How much time? What time was he using?
Time? 2 minutes.
2 minutes for Taz. Saying Spider-Man is out.
Spider-Man is out.
Looks like Spider-Man is out.
Now, leave Taz up here. Put Spider-Man back and choose an opponent for Taz. Sorry, guys. Who's the opponent for Taz?
Okay, time for the next one.
Okay, next match.
Shark Wreck versus. Come on. Come on.
Smile, Brett.
Hang on. Versus Scooby-Doo.
Who?
Scooby-Doo.
Who versus who?
Scooby-Doo.
Okay. Okay.
So Shark Wreck versus Scooby-Doo.
Let's show him. Who's Shark Wreck? Where's Shark Wreck? Okay, right here. He needs to be dusted off. Let me dust him off. Go pick a... Okay, hang on. Dust him. Hold the camera. Never mind. Never mind.
Has anybody seen the honey?
Scooby-Doo's all shiny.
There you go. Okay. There's Shark Wreck, right?
Shark Wreck. The driver is.
And
So the driver of Shark Wreck is.
the driver of Shark Wreck is Shark Boy.
No.
And who's the driver of Scooby-Doo?
Right here. Sean did.
Jennifer,
Shame on you.
Joe.
Ready, set, go.
Jennifer, Joe, and Scooby.
Ready, set, go.
Sean Chonan.
Ready, set, go.
So Sean Chonan's coming in. So Jennifer's having a little bit of problem.
Scooby-Doo's having problems, and Shark Wreck is coming in, and Shark Wreck takes the win. Let's check out how Scooby-Doo's doing. No, leave Shark Wreck right here. Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo's right here. Scooby-Doo! We need to talk to you for a second. How are you doing? Are you okay? Say woof. Okay, go pick new opponents.
So replay.
Replay.
So as you see, Sean Ozen.
Say. Go ahead.
Look at Sean Ozen.
Look at Sean Ozen.
So you're on the outside.
On the outside.
So then Jennifer Ozen came in there. So they came in a huge turn.
Came in a huge turn. And she flipped over. Right?
So then Sean Ozen.
And then Sean Ozen
was
stole
ahead
the
of
win. Look at Jennifer Ozen.
Hey Jennifer. Sean.
There's Sean Ozen. Jennifer Ozen.
Sean. Sean Ozen won. Sean Ozen won. You won, Sean. And Jennifer won.
Yeah. What's I doing? Everybody's on his face.
Jennifer took it over. Sean just
That's my grandma. I said that's my grandma. Brett!
Honey.
Whoa! Is that the end?
Oh.
Bye-bye, guys!